got quiet early winter weather at the moment, and that's going to be the same again tomorrow. Now, we did have some patchy frost and fog this morning, and that was generally underneath where we've got the clearer skies on the satellite picture now, down the eastern side of Britain, and also under this hole running up from the Channel coast onto the eastern side of Wales. As you can see here, there's some quite thick cloud out to the west. It's been giving some pretty heavy bursts of rain during the last few hours across the West Country. You can see some quite bright colours on the southwest radar picture. And that band runs northwards, rather tenuously northwards, and up across Northern Ireland. The computer picks it out quite nicely. You can see it runs it a little bit further eastwards overnight, a little bit of sleet and snow over the Scottish mountains for a time, and then tomorrow perhaps some wetter weather getting into the far northwest of the British Isles. But through the rest of today I think we'll see a little bit of brightness on the eastern side of Britain, but the cloud thickening up in the west. I think the heaviest of the rain will gradually fizzle out across the West Country, but a few spits and spots just about anywhere, and the chance of some sleet and snow up over the higher parts of southwestern Scotland. The breeze will be picking up in the west, and already quite a strong breeze blowing across the northeast of Scotland, and that wind chill there making it feel particularly cold. Overnight tonight, some snow for the Scottish mountains, perhaps even a few flakes coming down to low levels on the eastern side of Scotland, not amounting to very much. And elsewhere, a few spots of rain just edging across towards central parts of England, but all the while I think that'll be fizzling out. I think East Anglia is the most likely area to suffer some freezing fog patches tonight. Temperatures there could get a degree or so below freezing. On Friday, well, you can see those weather systems affecting northwestern parts of the British Isles, so that's where the wet weather will be. Fairly moist air coming in, so perhaps a little bit of mist and drizzle on some of the east coast, but fine and dry to the east. And then on Saturday, this weather front comes into the north, but southeastern areas likely to stay dry.